Hello loves, welcome to UniekMakes by Christina. I have an awesome Simon Says stamp haul for you. So let's go ahead and get into this box of goodies and the little extras I bought. Now this is the monthly kit for, I believe it was June, and then I also bought some little extras. So wait till you see this kit and the little extras I bought. So the first thing, we'll go ahead and get into the kit. Let me open that. Now this is my first kit that I bought, and when I saw Tim Holtz had a live that he showed this kit, and OMG, I was obsessed. Look at this kit. Let me take everything out. Alright, so in this kit, if you haven't, I'll link the video, but if you have not seen Tim Holtz live for this kit, it's a must watch because you also will want it. It does come with this $5 off card for the next order, but look at this. Now if you like circus party themed dies like I do, this is going to be an awesome kit. So first of all, what you get in a box, you do get some little pink and blue little not felt balls, but little like cotton balls type stuff. So you get that. Okay, you do get the yellow distress oxidized mini ink. Now this is a puffy, like a puffy paint, and when you heat this up, it like bubbles up. It almost turns into like the puffy paint for clothes and stuff. But yeah, you gotta check out the video so you can see what you can do with that. Now OMG, look at this. It does come with scratch and stiff stickers of popcorn. OMG. And I love I love these when I was a kid, and those smell good. But check this out. So this kit does come with a popcorn die, and then you can look at, it comes with a little box, a little popcorn, different kind of popcorn, and then it does have the backer, and it does have the little label. OMG, I love that. Love it. So I've got that, and you do get a banner with this kit. Look at that. So you could either ink blend or just cut a lot of different colors with your cardstock. So I got that one. This one is the ephemera slots. So that could give you little slots on there. So that die. Now this one here goes with this, and what this makes is, and what it makes is cotton candy. And OMG, it is so cute. So you got that goes there. Okay. And then in here, oh, this is like little cardstock. Get that. You do get a little bit of twine. They gave you a sucker. And then you do get some tickets. Look at that. I love Tim Holtz stuff. So you get different type of tickets you can use with your dies. But yeah, so you come with all of that. And then you do get a stamp. And look how fun this is. So you get different like fireworks stamps, you get tickets, good times, fun. And this one here's for your popcorn, and this one is for the cotton candy die. But look at that. Hopefully there's no glare. Real cute. And I love this. Now this, oh, and you also get some papers, and these are like heavy duty papers. So you get a red one, a cream, And then you get this one for cards, your little backers, which is really nice. I love the vintage look. You get all of that in your little kit. Now let me show you some images that they have for this kit. So this is the Step Right Up 2026 kit, and look at all the cuteness you can make. All the cuteness. Look at that. Love that. Love, love, love. And I had to have it because he did make a snow cone one on his live also. Like I said, I will link that below. But yeah, I love that. And they did include a white sheet of paper that is for the snow cone. So that is the kit. The Step Right Up kit. And then also, which is not part of this kit, but you could buy it extra. Check this out. The Duckies is a duck's embossing folder and cutting die. So you do get the embossing folder, and it does have a cutting die in there. Look at that. Love it. And then you also can get the stencil that corresponds with the die, with the embossing folder. So you know me, I had to get that. How awesome is that? Look at that. Real nice. So yeah, that is my little share I want to show you. I'm not sure if it's available when this video comes out, so hopefully you get the chance to go ahead and get you one. But yeah, I love, 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 love. So leave in a comment below. Let me know what is your favorite. For me, it's the whole bundle that I bought. Subscribe if you haven't, and hit the notification so you get alerted when I do upload a new video. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye-bye.